Exactly. Kaya kung puro angry post or conspiracy ang nakikita mo, maybe it's time to reset your feed.
So remember, tingnan ang source, basahin muna, at huwag basta share ng share.
Alam niyo ba, your feed is not the full truth. It's the algorithm wants you to see.
Swipe smart, navigating media mindfully. Let's get it on!
Yo, what's up mga kapodcast? Welcome to G Talks by Ibn Jibrin, where we talk real, think smart, and scroll wiser. I'm Rizam.
I'm Ania, your marupok sa Shopee pero hindi sa fake news.
And I'm Haris, ang certified taga-react sa social media, pero laging may critical thinking on the side.
And I'm Janna, the one who triple checks before sharing. Because facts matter best. Today's episode is titled Swipe Smart, Navigating Media Mindfully. Let's get it on!
Guys, let's admit it na ang daming information sa feed, katulad sa news, memes, reels, tea, chika, halo-halo. Pero the question is, tama ba lahat ng yan?
Hindi lahat ng viral ay vital, right?
Exactly. That's why we need to media literacy, to ability to access, analyze, evaluate, and create media wisely. Hindi porket nakita mo sa TikTok ay totoo na.
True. Last week, may kumalat na fake news about local celebrity. Sobrang daming nag-share kahit wala namang source.
Classic. People just hit share without fact-checking. Tapos pag may mali, ay, sorry na.
So remember, tingnan ang source, basahin muna, at huwag basta share ng share. Use website like Philippine News Agency, Rappler, and Google Fact Check tools.
Alam niyo ba, your feed is not the full truth. It's the algorithm wants you to see. Kaya kung puro angry post or conspiracy ang nakikita mo, maybe it's time to reset your feed.
True. Your For You page is not the whole world. It's just a bubble.
So what can you do? Following credible pages, interact with educational content, and take a breaks when needed. Mental health, check din yan.
Quick kwento lang, nag-away kami ng bestie ko kasi nag-share ako ng article na hindi ko binasa. Turns out, misleading pala. She called me out at first na offend ako. Pero, na-realize ko, tama pala siya.
Oh, that's hard, but at least you learned.
Yes, since then, mas naging mindful ako at saka mas naging responsible ako sa kung anong nilalagay ko online. So friends, tandaan, it's not just about swiping. It's about thinking while scrolling.
Check before you share, post before you post. Swipe smart, not just fast.
Don't let your screen shape your mind. Be the one in control.
This has been G Talks by Ibn Jibrin. I'm Rizam.
I'm Ania.
I'm Haris.
And I'm Janna. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.
Swipe smart, mga kapodcast!